So today, we will discuss multiplying polynomials. Let's start with monomial by monomial. Let's say we have 2 times 4x. Now, this variable has 2 factor. If we write it, it has 2 and 4 and x. In this case, we want to combine similar term, which is 2 and 4. So multiply 2 and 4, we will get 8, then bring down x. So answer here in this case is 8x. Let's say we have both term with a variable, 7x times 2x. Now again, 7x, 2 factor 7 and x. Same as 2x, it has 2 and x. Multiply common factor, we have 7, 2, got 14, and multiply x at x. Whenever we multiply variables, for example this x times x, we will copy its base, okay, and add up its exponent, which in this case 1 for both sides. So 1 plus 1 is 2, so we will do x squared. So the answer for this problem is 14 x squared. Now let's move on to monomial by binomial. So let's say we have 2 times 4x plus 2. We want to distribute 2 to both terms. Okay, so 2 times 4x, again combine this number or coefficient, we get 8x. 2 times 2 is positive 4, so we will do 8x plus 4. Let's try and combine 2x times the value of x plus 1. Okay, so 2x times x. Now we have 2 times the value of x. Combine like terms, so x. Nani lang talaga. So we will proceed to binomial by binomial. Let's say we have x plus 1 times the value of x minus 2. So what will we get? So we must be familiar with the process of FOIL method. So what does FOIL method mean? F means first, O means out or outer, I means inner, and L means last. So from left, which is F, we must first do these 2 first term. Okay, we must first combine this. So that's what first mean in the FOIL method. So x times x will yield to x squared. Now we have outer. Now outer pertain to the 2 outer part of the 2 term. I mean 2 polynomials. So that is x and negative 2. So x times negative 2 is negative 2x. Okay, so this x squared, this is negative 2x. Okay, so you have inner. Now the inner is the opposite of outer. It is found inside here, inside the two side by side polynomial, or binomial to be specific. So that is 1 times x and positive 1 times x. Again, whenever we multiply a value by 1, the value will become the same. So 1 times x is x. And the last is the remaining part, which is this. The two last or the second term of two binomials, that is positive 1 and negative 2. So positive 1 times negative 2 will yield to 1. So multiplying different interior will yield to negative value, and 1 times 2 is 2. So let's combine this formula. So we have 2 x squared minus 2x plus x minus 2. Combine like terms, this and this. So we will have a value of x squared minus, okay, so mas malaki si 2, so negative. So 2 minus x, that is x, minus 2. So the value or the answer for this binomial by binomial is x squared minus x minus 2. So let's try another example. So we have 7x plus 3 times the value of 3 minus x. So again, fill method. 7x times 3 is 7 times 3, 21. Copy x. Outer. So 7x times negative x. So that is copy 7 x times negative x, which yield to negative x squared. And this is same as negative 7x squared. Okay, so inner, you have this positive 3 times positive 3, and that will yield to positive 9. And lastly, positive 3 times negative x. So we assume that there is negative 1 coefficient in negative x. So 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. Copy x. Then we have negative 3x. So combine like term, this and this. Okay, so 21x plus negative 3x. So different sign, therefore we subtract. 21 minus 3 is 18x. 21 is bigger, so we remain positive. Okay, so our answer, see, from the largest degree, negative 7x squared plus 18x plus 9. So we will have negative 7x squared plus 18x plus 9. Now for the last example, we have trinomial by binomial. So 2x minus 1 times the value of x squared plus 3x plus 10. So in this case, FIL method will not be applicable, since FIL method is only for binomial by binomial. But we can still solve this by simply distributing each of the term to each of the term of the second polynomial. So how's that? So first, let's try 2x times x squared. Okay, 2x times, oh my bad, 2x times x squared. That is 2. Combine x and x squared, we have x cubed. Next, 2x times 3x. Okay, 2 times 3 is 6. Then x times x is x squared. Next, 2x times positive 10. Combine 10 and 2, we have 20. Then drop x. Now, we will distribute the value of negative 1. Negative 1 times x squared is equal to, okay, negative x squared. Negative 1 times 3x is equal to negative 3x. Negative 1 times 10 is equal to negative 10. Now, we need to combine like terms. So, these are like terms. These are like terms. Okay. So, 6x plus negative x. Okay. We assume that there is 1 beside x. So, 6 minus 1 is 5x. Okay, so 5x. Now, this is positive 5x actually. Now, another like term, or 6x squared, 5x squared I mean. So, other term that are alike is 20 and negative 3. So, 20x minus or plus negative 3x, that is 17x. Positive 17x. So, we will put that in this part. So, copy negative 10 and 2x cubed. So, our answer is 2x cubed plus 5x squared plus 17x minus 10.